how are you today? Thanks a lot for joining. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Thousand Island dressing. So let's drop down here and check out our ingredients. We have got 1 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of yellow onion that we've minced up, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. All right, we got our bowl big enough for our ingredients. We've got 1 cup of mayonnaise here we're going to add. We're going to add our onions, our ketchup, our sweet relish, the paprika, lemon juice, and the salt and pepper. Give it a really good mix. There is the Thousand Island dressing. We're going to let this chill for a little while, and then we're going to come back and do a photo shoot. Thousand Island looks delicious. Look at that. Really good Thousand Island. You got that lemon in there that kind of cuts through all the mayonnaise and the ketchup. The ketchup's got a little acidity to it too. Very creamy, very tart. It's got a nice little bite to it. Don't forget to check out that description box down below to get the recipe and also a ton of groovy links. I've got a Roku cooking channel where you're going to see a lot more things that you don't see here on YouTube. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.